What's good, people? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing? I guess we're preparing ourselves I guess we're preparing ourselves for the first month of the for the trading month of April. We're ready, we're consistent, we're persistent, we're positive, we're optimistic, and we most of all staying disciplined, patient, and consistent. That's your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be our outlook for the coming week of what month is it? Can't see again. Of the 3rd of April up and until the 7th of April, right? Never mind my camera. I had to blur everything out. I might be blurred out. They don't care as long as I share important information. Financial disclaimer, they say financial advice. Everything I say or do, it's entirely based off my own experience and my own opinion. It might happen, it might not. The only thing we can manage to do is to just stick to our plans and to just follow our rules and let everything play out. So looking at the NAS, you can tell that the overall structure on current price, we bullish, right? So with price being this bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So just to keep it simple, straight and legit, my trade idea is from the 4-hour. I'm hoping or looking forward for price to have some type of pullback or exhaustion phase before you can continue bullish in correlation to price having higher highs and higher lows, right? So with the pullback or an exhaustion, we're looking for a continuation of price creating what? Creating some type of what? Higher low, and look forward for price continuing with a new potential higher high. So this is simple. This is legit. I'm just simply looking forward for price to pull back or for price to give me what? A confirmation of into why, into price having some type of higher low formation to continue bullish, because you can tell that price has been pushing and pushing and pushing, right? So with price pushing like this, we need an impulsive pullback or an exhaustion phase before we can continue bullish. So this is what I'm looking for in my trade idea. I'm just simply looking for price to have a pullback on exhaustion phase before we can continue bullish, right? So that's my take on the NAS. I'm gonna keep it short. I'm gonna keep it short, simple, and legit, right? So looking at gold. Gold, to be honest with y'all, gold should be something that I'm scratching out, right? Why am I saying this? Because now, if you can check that price is creating some sort of high and price have created some sort of low, right? And price have created some sort of a low, right? So we're trading far from the high, we're trading far from the low. We're basically like trading in the middle of this very same zone, right? So my trade idea is I'm bullish above highs, I'm bearish below lows, right? So if it happens that like price continues to the upside and break the highs, then we'll simply look forward a continuation to the upside, right? But if price pushes and fails to break, then you obviously look for a reversal. Same thing. If price pushes to the downside, breaking below the lows, then we obviously know what to do. But if price fails to break, we also know what to do, right? So my trade idea, I repeat, we bullish above highs, we bearish below lows. If we fail to break, then we simply trade intraday support and intraday resistance, right? That's just keeping my trading simple, clean, and legit and sweet with y'all, right? So looking at German 30. So even on German 30, I can tell that structure is clearly bullish, right, on our current price. So now with that said, we have a previous high right there, which once led price into creating what? That low right there, right? So from price creating a high and price creating a low and price pushing back to the previous high, the only thing that I can manage to wait for is for price to either break out to continue bullish with the sentiment, or look for price to do what? To bounce off the zone and look for a reversal, right? But I'm positive with price looking for a reversal, because price once came back down, price once created a high and pushed impulsively to the downside, coming back to the very same high. What are we going to expect? Are we going to find price breaking out, or are we going to have a fail to break? And that's going to be it, right? So that's just going to be my trade idea. I'm bullish above highs. I'm bearish it failed to break. Like I say, I'm looking for price to break out to continue bullish. I'm looking for fail to break to continue or to reverse bearish, right? We once created a high and we came back to the very same high. Are we going to respect the high and drop, or are we going to violate the high and continue to the upside? That's just a question. Until we have a close above or a fail to break with a close below, then that won't be it, right? Looking at US 30. So USDT, there's nothing for me to say or do, right? My trade idea is break off highs, we continue bullish. Fail to break, I look to be bearish, right? Break off highs, we continue bullish. Fail to break, we continue we reverse bearish, right? Price once created this higher low formation. So let me take you back to history. Let me explain this real quick. Price once had this type of support, right? And price had a what? And price had a breakout and a retest and continue to the downside. So looking at this from price pushing and having a retest, continuing to the downside. If it happens that like price comes back to the zone, are we going to respect the zone and push to the downside? Or are we going to have a breakout and continue to the upside? I don't know, people. I don't know, right? The only thing that I can manage to do is to just wait for the first 2 4-hour candlesticks. Are they going to close above for me to continue bullish? Or are we going to have a fail to break for me to look for some type of what, for some type of reversal? I don't know, people. The only thing that I can manage to say is I'm looking for a break of highs to continue bullish. A fail to break, I'm looking to be bearish. Then gonna be it. You feel me, people? Not looking for anything else, no patterns or some type of shit like that. I'm only looking to keep it simple, clean, legit, and sweet with y'all, right? So looking at USD CAD. So USD CAD, right? USD CAD, we did see on our trade idea. If it happens that like price fails to break, then we impulsively continue reverse to the downside. But if you get a breakout, then we continue moving to the upside. So price now is trading above a previous intraday support. That 4-hour support zone that like price once created right there. Price is trading on the very same zone, right? The zone once led price come pushing to the upside, coming back again, right? Trying to push and coming back to the downside. So now you can say we have a double top. You can simply say we have a double bottom right there, right? So now the only thing that I can say is I'm bearish below support, I'm bullish above. If it happens that like price closes below, then we simply do what? Continue to the upside with the momentum. But if we get a fail to break, then I'm looking to be bullish above my support, right? That's just it, people. I'm looking at the past history. I'm looking at the past history to see what happened. I'm looking at current price to see what might happen. If we break up, we continue below, we continue bearish. If we fail to break, we reverse and be bullish. That's just that simple, people. You feel me? So looking at Tesla, obviously with the Tesla, it's just that simple. I did say that I'm bullish. I'm bearish below support. I'm bullish above support. So now price is trading above and we have some type of what? Some type of momentum, some type of bullish momentum confirming that like from support, we're pushing to the upside. So now the only thing that I'm waiting for is that I'm waiting for price to break above, to break the highs, right? I'm simply looking for price to break the highs to continue bullish, or I'm looking for fail to break to reverse and be bearish. Just like my trade idea, bullish above highs, bearish at fail to break. If we break out, we continue bullish. Fail to break, we reverse and be bearish. That's just trading, people. Like just keeping it simple, clean, legit, and sweet with y'all, right? So looking at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin from the daily and the weekly, we're still trading below our major what? Our major support, our major resistance, right? Being our new support current price, right? So now the only thing that I can say is I'm looking for a breakout to continue bullish. With a fail to break, I'm looking to be bearish, right? Just like my trade idea, with a breakout, I'm bullish. Fail to break, I'm bearish. There's nothing much that I can also say. No holy grail, nothing, some type of shit like that. Breakout, I'm bullish. Fail to break, I'm bearish, and that's it, right? Ethereum. So Ethereum we're trading above. Ethereum we're trading above our what? Above our major resistance and okay, we're trading above our major resistance slash new support, right? So the only thing that I'm waiting for now on my trade idea is I'm looking for a break of highs to continue bullish. Fail to break, I'm looking to be bearish. So if Ethereum breaks out, then we continue bullish, right? If it fails to break, then we reverse and be bearish, and that won't be it. So looking at the hourly time frame, you can tell that like from price having some sort of fat push, exhaustion push, we're having some type of correction right now. So printing out some potential bullish flag. So we're having some type of bullish flag right there. So from this bullish flag, the only thing I'm waiting for is for close above the highs and a retest to continue bullish with my sentiment, right? So that's it, people. I'm not also not looking for much. So if we're having this bullish flag to confirm the bullish momentum or the bullish sentiment that we're still looking at, let's wait for a break of highs from the 4-hour close above to continue bullish. But if we get a fail to break, then I'm looking to be bearish. That's just my trading, keeping it simple, keeping it legit, keeping it real, and most of all, letting y'all take something from everything I'm sharing. So Litecoin, because a nigga love to lit. Litecoin is trading above. Litecoin is trading above our resistance. So obviously price trading above resistance. As long as we're still holding above, then I'm looking to be what? To be bearish. I'm looking to be bullish. But if we get a break below, then I'm looking to be bearish. Just like my trade idea, bullish above resistance, bearish below. So if it happens that like price breaks back in, then we look for a continuation or a reversal to the downside. But long as you're trading above, then I'm looking to be what? To be bullish. That's just it, right? Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, you guys know that like I did share my previous review on oil. I did say that like as long as price is trading above zones, let's look to be bullish. As long as you're trading above a zone, let's look to be bullish. As long as you're trading above a zone, let's look to be bullish. If we're trading below, let's look to be bearish. If we're trading below, let's look to be bearish. So now looking at this now, my trade idea is I'm bullish above zones, I'm bearish below. So if now it happens that like with this push phase and this exhaustion and this push phase, if we continue with the push phase breaking above, then let's look for a retest exhaustion for continuation push. But if this push fails to break this zone, then let's look to be bearish below of that very same zone. Do you guys feel me? Do you guys feel me? So people, this week, I feel like this week we're gonna be looking for more breakouts or for more fail to breaks to confirm our entries or to confirm our trades. We're not looking for much, we're not looking for less. We just simply need to keep our trading sweet, short, legit, and simple, and make y'all take something from everything that I'm sharing, right? This is your boy Harlan, this is your boy Harlan, this is your boy Harlan.